Welcome back to AI Pro Tech, where the future of gaming meets the power of hardware. Today, we've got a global launch that's hard to ignore. The RedMagic Astra Gaming Tablet is official, and it's looking like a serious threat to every Android tablet in the market right now. Let's dive into the specs. And make no mistake, this is no casual tablet. Originally launched in China as the RedMagic Tablet 3 Pro, this beast is now going global under the name RedMagic Astra Gaming Tablet. It's built around a 9.06-inch LTPO OLED display with ultra-slim 4.9mm bezels, sharp 1504 by 2400 resolution, and a buttery-smooth 165Hz refresh rate. It also supports HDR, features PWM dimming for eye comfort, and reaches a crazy 1600 nits of peak brightness. But this is more than just a pretty display. You're getting stereo speakers and dual haptic drivers, which means immersive media in gaming, with sound and feedback that actually hits. And here's where it gets wild. It uses actual liquid, metal cooling, a vapor chamber, and even a built-in fan to keep temperatures in check. RedMagic claims this setup drops the tablet's core temperature by 8 degrees Celsius under load, which is massive for gaming performance. Under the hood, the Astra tablet is powered by the Snapdragon 8 Elite processor. Now let's talk battery. Packs an 8,200 mAh cell, supports 8OW fast charging, and can go from 0 to 50% in just 20 minutes. Yes, 20 minutes. The USB-C port is no slouch either. It's a USB 3.2 Gen 2, capable of driving 8,000 displays at 60 Hz, or 4K at up to 144 Hz. Ideal for gaming setups. Storage and RAM. You've got options. Up to 24 gigabytes of RAM and a massive 1 terabyte of storage. It's available in black and silver, with variants starting at 12 gigabytes, 256 gigabytes, and going all the way up. Global sales begin on July 16th with a starting price of $499, 499 euros, 439 pounds. But here's the kicker. If you pre-order between July 10th and July 15th, you can grab the early bird voucher, knocking the price down to just $469, 469 euros, pound 409, and an 8OW charger that doesn't come standard in the retail box. And ring the bell so you don't miss our hands-on review when the Astra Gaming Tablet drops. And early buyers get a couple of nice extras too. A free pair of RedMagic gaming finger sleeves. This tablet will be available in North America, Europe, the UK, Asia Pacific, and GCC countries. So, is this the best Android gaming tablet of 2025? From specs to design, it's definitely a frontrunner. If you're hyped for this launch, hit that like, tap subscribe. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one, only on AI Pro Tech.